Imagine transforming your bathroom from looking a bit tired to fresh and updated with just a simple coat of paint. Hi, I'm Annika, and I'll show you how to paint your bath. Let's get into it. First, start by preparing your workspace. You'll need to ensure your bathroom is well ventilated, so open any windows and doors. Cover any areas you want to protect with drop sheets, including the floor. Next, you'll need to clean the bath thoroughly. Use a bath cleaner to remove any soap scum, grease, or grime. Scrub really well, then rinse with clean water and allow it to dry completely. Once clean, using an abrasive pad and abrasive paste to clean the whole bath, then rinse again. Then, wipe down the bath to ensure it's dry. From here, lightly sand the entire surface of the bath with fine grit sandpaper to help the paint adhere better. Rinse off any dust or residue. Then, wipe the bath down with a damp cloth and allow it to dry. Before you start painting, wipe off the bath with a tack cloth to remove any leftover dust. It's also very important to tape off any areas you don't want to be painted. Use painter's tape to cover edges around the bath, such as taps, drain covers, and any hardware. This step will help you achieve clean lines and prevent paint from getting onto surfaces where it's not needed. Now, it's time to paint. Choose a suitable paint designed for baths. Stir the paint well, or mix according to manufacturer's instructions, and pour a small amount into a paint tray. Use a small brush to get into the corners, then a fresh foam roller to apply a thin, even coat of paint. Take your time and be sure to cover all surfaces evenly. Allow this first coat to dry thoroughly, then recoat. When the final coat is dry, carefully remove the masking tape and check for any touch-ups needed. Allow the paint to cure, then recaulk the edges and avoid using the bath, which may take a few days depending on the paint you've used. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.